Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to watch Netflix on school Chromebook. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Now the first step is to open your VPN provider and make sure you turn it on. Go ahead, take your time. It might take a few seconds for your VPN to turn on and function. Once your VPN is already working, you can now go and proceed to your internet browser and then open Netflix.com. In your Netflix.com, make sure you're already subscribed to the subscriptions for Netflix so that you'll be able to view. Once Netflix loads, all you have to do right now is log in. And as you can see, we are already able to open Netflix.com. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe.